So, hello. We are the Cooper Group. It is Indiana Cooper and David Cooper. So today we're presenting our project number 2 for visualization. So let's just hop over to David's GitHub IO / storm events where we are currently hosting our application. So we've got a few categories here to start off. Let's start over here. So we've got this category list. So the data we used was the NOAA database set. Essentially, it's a huge data set of all of the recorded storm events. So you've got stuff like avalanches, fog, smoke, heat, cold, anything you could think of that's happening with the weather is happening. So by default, I have drought currently selected, but we can unselect if we really wanted to. So when you select an event, we're going to populate the word map with the top 50 words in the description of all of the storm events that are under the category drought. So if we wanted to add to the word map or add to the frequency map, we could either deselect drought and maybe hop over to flash flooding.
Or even select another word.
Yeah, so we can select another word on top of that. So we can look up, let's look up flash flooding, but also ice storms. It doesn't look like there's that many ice storms, so let's click on something else. Lightning.
Road closed. A lot of them are revolving roads.
Yes, because they're very scary. So here's so yeah, tornado. You can see that changing that, but also we've got this button down here. So we've got normalized and raw. So counties that are larger are obviously going to have more storm events occurring in that county because it is larger, so it's taking up more space and weather can occur in those spaces. So we have a normalized tab. Normalized is also taking into account the fact that some counties are smaller and some counties are larger, so it's the amount of storm occurrences per area. So if you see from tornado, from raw to normalized, in raw, you see that it's really benefiting these large counties near Nevada and California.
Is this just tornadoes though?
Let's see if it is just tornadoes. We have tornadoes selected. We have flash floods also selected, so we can deselect that. And then yes, so you can see the larger counties moving from raw to normalized. These larger counties on the west side are losing heat on the map. So we have our scale from low to high. We have a reset button that gets rid of all of these. But so we've also got some cute clickables here. So let's go back to let's do tornado and let's do wildfire. So these words are the 50 most common words that are occurring in the descriptions of type tornado and wildfire. So sorry about that little cut there. There was actually an update that we hadn't pushed onto GitHub yet. So now that we have this, let's see. So we were clicking on tornado and wildfire. So let's go to tornado and wildfire, have those selected. So now these are actually clickable. So if I click damage, it is now taking damage into account in the descriptions for filtering the top 50 words. We can also click on another word. For example, let's do field. So give that a second. That's now going through the words, and now we have a new updated word map so that they're not only filtering through the category tornado and category wildfire, but also for words related to damage and field that are also used in the same descriptions. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching our project, and have a nice night.